Hey guys, so here in Missouri, we've been experiencing a heat dome for probably the last 3 weeks or so. It's been unseasonably hot for June and quite dry. But I wanted to show you how our garden's doing. We've had to water it, I don't know, every few days, give it a soak, either in the evening or in the mornings. But take a look at how well our garden is doing. We've got a ton of squash plants. We've got a lot of cucumber plants, cantaloupe plants. You can see here's a row of corn. Basically everywhere in this garden is covered by this black plastic. It doesn't allow water to go through it. You can see there's some standing water here from when we watered it. Take a look at this, the little crack in between the plastic, and look how much grass we have growing. So this plastic, it holds down a lot of growth. It makes it a lot easier for these plants not to get choked out by all the grass. Here's a zucchini plant starting to shoot out multiple zucchinis. We've got a few okra plants here starting to grow. And in this part of the garden, we've got, mostly tomato plants, and we've got pepper plants. We even have these mini bell pepper plants, and we've got some tomatillos. I think this might be a tomatillo plant. So overall, our garden is doing really well. It really likes all the sun we've been getting, especially all the tomato and pepper plants and eggplant and squash plants. And using all this plastic on the ground, it's retained a ton of moisture. We could have a good rain and have it still feel soft under this plastic, a week later, during a week when it's like 90s every day with no rain. So we've been having a really good experience with our garden during this heat dome. It's just taking a little bit of watering, which in Missouri, you don't usually have to do a lot of watering during June when you're gardening. So I'm curious, how's your garden doing? Have you been having to water a lot with this heat dome? Has it been growing better than usual? This is probably the best garden we've had so far. I think it's mostly due to our weed control using all of that plastic, where I'm basically covering the entire ground except for where we're planting. I hope you have a wonderful gardening season. Take care. Bye-bye.